Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Thinkific course creation platform, my online school experience. Thinkific course creation platform is a service that allows you to create, market, and sell online courses. It's primarily targeted towards entrepreneurs, educators, and anyone with specialized knowledge they want to share and monetize. Key features include course building tools, student management, payment processing, and marketing integrations. Their website provides details on the different pricing plans available. Thinkific emphasizes ease of use and no hidden fees. You pay a monthly or annual subscription based on the features you need. They also offer a free plan to get started. They position themselves as a more affordable and flexible alternative to some of the larger online learning platforms. They use a cloud-based system, so you can access your courses and manage your school from anywhere with an internet connection. You can visit their website to see all the features and sign up for a free trial. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Thinkific. Getting started was surprisingly straightforward. The onboarding process guided me through setting up my first course, and the interface is quite intuitive. I was able to upload my video lectures, create quizzes, and organize my course content fairly quickly. Navigating the platform is easy. The drag-and-drop course builder is a real time saver, and I appreciated how simple it was to customize the look and feel of my course pages. In terms of performance, Thinkific has been reliable. I haven't experienced any significant downtime or issues with video playback. The platform feels fast and responsive, which is crucial for a good user experience. I did have a quick question about integrating my email marketing software, and their support team responded within a day via email with a helpful solution. One of the things I was really impressed by was the flexibility Thinkific offers in terms of pricing my courses. I could create free courses, offer subscriptions, or set one-time purchase prices. The standout feature for me was definitely the built-in marketing tools, which helped me promote my courses directly to my audience. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated mobile app for course creation, though I could manage most tasks through the mobile browser. It also took me a little while to get used to the more advanced settings, like customizing certificates of completion, but the online documentation was comprehensive and helpful. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Thinkific. While it has a few minor quirks, it generally met my needs and offered a solid platform for creating and selling my online courses. That's my overview of Thinkific course creation platform. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.